Welcome to Dees Plantation in Grand Bay, Alabama. Beautiful quartz countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths. Tray ceilings in the living area, in the dining room, and in the primary suite. Just beautiful molding in this home. Lots of character, lots of natural light. An open floor plan here. The kitchen overlooks the living area as well as the back porch. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I got you covered. I list and sell properties in Mobile and Baldwin County. Give me a call. Let me show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. 251-234-9919. Nice size laundry room. This home has luxury vinyl plank throughout. It doesn't have any carpet. Here's the primary bedroom with the tray ceiling. The primary bath features dual vanities, a tiled shower, plus a soaking tub. You have a nice size walk-in closet as well. Wooden shelves in all the closets and the pantries in this home. Nothing is done cheaply. Everything's done like a custom build. You have a nice back porch, nice size yard as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.